Kitten 1. Kitten 2. Kitten 3. And kitten 4. All readily available for rehoming. Come on, little black man. That's a little black girl. That's a little black boy. Come on, you're not showing yourself off well to the camera. Little black boy. Little ginger boy. And little grey girl, who's not currently available for a new home. This one now has a new home. He actually has a name as well, but I can't remember. No, don't go wandering off the edges. No, you can't. You're not good at heights. They're very pretty. This is their display table. They're all for sale. A very competitive £30. I'm not sure they're that keen on the ironing board, to be honest, but anyway. 2 toms and a girl to be rehomed. Ginger is obviously presenting herself first. And this little chap wants to stay. I think I might... No, not him. I might keep this one. Because this one's got a black spots in his nose. I'll let them sell themselves to you now. Don't go off the front, Ginger. Right, I'm going to put them back in the box there because they don't like being that far away. Thank you for your time.